Hey guys! In this lesson we'll have a look at the text option that we are not going to use in this course, but I think it's interesting to know. It's called text on path. To generate it, create a normal path with the vector tool. Once created, add a text line pressing T. Select another color and size to make it visible. Select the text and go to Text and Text on Path. After activating this option, see what happens. Wow! The text snaps to the path as we drag it into place. The text doesn't change. I can even select the text and press Enter and write anything else. Another useful tool regarding text is an option which allows us to transform the text into a curve. It is, transform the text layer into a shape layer. To do so, go to the Layer menu and convert to outlines or directly with the shortcut Command-Shift-O. When the text becomes a shape, you'll see a group with several elements which has been created with Boolean operations. Have a look at the icons next to each of them. This means that it's not a text layer anymore but a shape. Keep in mind that when we transform a text into a shape, we cannot change its content. What we can change are the notes. If we press Enter and open the editing mode, we'll be able to use Boolean operations, pattern fields, as if it were an actual shape. So guys, remember, we won't use this for this course, but I wanted you to know it. See you in the next one.